Did your contacts suddenly just disappear from your iPhone? Don't worry, they may not actually be gone. In today's video, I'll show you several ways to get them back. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, tap on Contacts, or you can swipe down and search for Contacts. Make sure you are looking at the right list by tapping on Back and tapping on All Contacts. By doing this, you can check to see if your contacts are back. If not, go back to your home screen and tap on Settings. Tap on your name at the top. Tap on iCloud. Tap on See All. Scroll down and toggle off the option for Contacts. Tap on Delete from my iPhone. Then toggle the option on again and wait for a while for your iCloud contacts to sync with your phone. Then, check to see if your contacts are back. If they are still not there, go back to your main settings page. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Tap on Contacts. Tap on Contact Accounts. Tap on Gmail. Toggle off the option for Contacts. Tap on Delete from my iPhone. Toggle the option back on for Contacts and wait for Gmail to sync the contacts with your iPhone. There you go! If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they will help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and